Understanding land art projects. A creative blend of nature and art. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and creative topic, land art projects. Whether you're an art enthusiast or just curious about different art forms, this video will help you understand what land art is all about. So, let's dive in and explore the beauty of land art together. Land art, also known as earth art or earthworks, is a unique art movement that emerged in the 1960s and 70s. It involves the use of natural landscapes to create site-specific structures, art forms, and sculptures. The key aspect of land art is that it's created outdoors, using natural materials like rocks, leaves, branches, water, and even soil. The artists work with the environment to produce artworks that are in harmony with nature. Unlike traditional art forms, land art is not confined to galleries or museums. It's out in the open, often in remote locations. One of the defining characteristics of land art is its transient and impermanent nature. Many land art projects are temporary, affected by natural elements like weather, erosion, and time, eventually returning to nature. This impermanence highlights the dynamic relationship between art and the natural world. Another feature is the scale of the artworks. They can be massive, covering vast areas of land. Also, land art often involves physical labor and earth-moving machinery, distinguishing it from more traditional, delicate art practices. To understand land art better, let's look at some renowned examples. Spiral Jetty by Robert Smithson in Utah, USA, a 1,500-foot-long coil made of mud, salt crystals, and basalt rocks jutting into the Great Salt Lake. Double Negative by Michael Heiser in Nevada, USA, massive trenches cut into the desert mesa, creating a monumental negative space. Seven Magic Mountains by Ugo Rondinoni in Nevada, USA, colorful stacked boulders standing more than 30 feet high, contrasting the desert landscape. I hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of land art projects. It's a form of art that not only displays creativity but also a deep respect and connection with nature. Remember, art is not just confined to canvases and galleries. It can be anywhere, even in the vast landscapes around us. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this enlightening. Keep exploring and learning.